Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video I'm about to show you and tell you some 5 or 4 tips that you can improve your mix. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm here as always in FL Studio. I just put some random drums. I'll show you. They're really simple, so I'm just going to give you some tips that you can improve your mix and get your beats on the next level. The first thing that you can do is gain stage. What is this? So you make sure that each sound has its own gain stage. So for example, if I play with the kick, so kick is going to be like around 12, or you can put it on 15, and you can do that for each sound. So can make like each sound to be on the 15. So you'll have a better organization. You will have a real sound, a real volume of your sounds and stuff like that. So for example, kick, and then you go with the clap, and then you go all the way like down. It's kind of cool, and you'll be better organized and stuff like that, so it can help you really good. So the next trick I'm about to show you, or tip, whatever, is you can make sure that sometimes you can pan some things. For example, for the hi-hats, you probably heard like a song of beats or something, or songs that their hi-hats are going on the left or right side all the time. So you just do this real quick. Okay. So for example, you can pan like a hi-hats, for example, left or the right side. You can do that for the percussion. You can do that for the open hats, whatever. So when you're like panning some sounds, your mix is gonna be more interesting. More sounds are gonna fit together, and your beats are gonna start uh, being better. They're gonna be more interesting to the listeners and stuff like that. So make sure you do that. For the next tip, make sure that you always give enough power to the kick and the 8. So make sure that you can give your kick more power. So when someone is listening on their phone, they can probably hear a kick candidate. They can be heard like that. So I'm about to maybe just quick tell you that for the 808, for example, you can open EQ, and in EQ you're going to see waves here. But what you're gonna do is boost a little bit high middle frequencies, maybe a little bit lower. So these are the frequencies that are most time heard on the phone. So when someone is listening on the phone, they're gonna hear like a it better and kick. Of course, you can do that for the kick, but not that much because it's gonna be hard. So this is like a really cool quick tip that can like give your kick and it power, but make sure that you always give them more power so they can be heard really good. For the next trick that I wanna tell you, this can be like explained for the drums. So I got this simple stuff, right? Simple drums. But what you can do is also maybe stack the layer sometimes. So you probably saw that a lot of people like when they are making beats, they use like 3 or 4 claps or snares, and they stack them like this. So let me just tell you. So maybe this. Let's just drag some random sounds. Okay, we got 3 sounds here. So I got this basic clap. If I put this snare, maybe I can put it on another side, and I can use this one. Sorry. And this can give your beats more power, more your snare power. They can be like a different. They want to be like a. Okay, you use this. What I mean, it sounds good, but what will happen if I add this? What will happen if I add like a 3 or 4 snares? And you will see the difference, and it's gonna definitely help you with the With the drums, you can do that for the melodies, of course, but this time we are just talking about the mix and drums. So make sure that you stack the layers like when you're making beats, and you'll see the difference. And the last tip, last like a trick, but I think this is one is most important thing, that loudness isn't everything. I think I told that I was talking about that many times, but if you hear that something is loud, it doesn't mean that it's better. Doesn't mean it sounds good. That's why I was just like to maybe test the mix on another uh, hardware, headphones, another headphones, car, or speakers, another speakers, something like that. So this is like the most important thing, that don't think like if something is loud doesn't mean that it's good. Make sure that you follow these stuff like here, and when you like make that gain stage, and you will be ready for the master, and then you will see how good your beat sounds. So like if like your snare is too loud, and when you master everything, and you will see probably that maybe snare is the problem, and you will see there is a problem, something is too much, but you can now master it here because you will change everything. So pay attention then, don't worry if something is loud, just just try to hear the difference between the sounds, and you're ready to go. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have some like videos suggest me to do to make some tutorials, I appreciate that. Make sure you comment, and I'll do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.